Hey everyone, and welcome back to Robo CAD. Today we are going to talk about something that's shaping the future, that is machine learning. Let's start with a simple question. Can a computer learn by itself? Well, that's exactly what machine learning is all about. Teaching computers to learn from data just like humans learn from experience. So what really is machine learning? It's a process where we train computers to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. Think of it like this. Instead of telling a computer what to do, we show it some examples and figure out rules by itself. That's how recognition system, speech recognition, and even self-driving cars work. Now, let's break down how machine learning actually works in 6 steps. Step 1 is we collect data. This could be images, numbers, text, or sensor data. Step 2 is we clean and pre-process that data so it's ready for the model. Step 3. Now, since we have the data ready, it is clean and pre-processed, we now have to choose the right algorithm or model, like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Step 4 is we train the model. This is where the computer learns. Step 5 is we evaluate the results and checking out how accurate our model is. And finally, we deploy it, letting the model make real-world predictions. Let's take an example of weather prediction. We have historical data, things like humidity, temperature, and air pressure. Machine learning looks at thousands or even millions of these data points and learns patterns. Then, when we give it today's data, it predicts whether it might rain tomorrow or not. So instead of guessing, the prediction comes from real data. And that's the power of machine learning. Now you have probably heard of deep learning too. Here is the difference. Machine learning works well with organized, structured data, like numbers in tables. Deep learning, on the other hand, uses neural networks to handle more complex data, like images, videos, or speech. You can think of deep learning as a more advanced version of machine learning. It can learn directly from the raw data, almost like our brain does. Machine learning can be divided into 3 main types. First is supervised learning, where we already know the correct answer. For example, predicting rain using labeled data. Second is unsupervised learning, where the computer organizes data by itself, like grouping customers based on behavior. And finally, reinforced learning, where an agent learns by trial and error, receiving rewards or penalties based on its action. This is kind of learning used in robotics and AI gaming. The most popular tools for building machine learning models are TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. TensorFlow is great for large-scale and production models. Keras is beginner-friendly for quick prototyping, and PyTorch is flexible and loved by researchers for its Pythonic style. Together, these tools power most modern machine learning projects. Now, after training, how do we know if our model is any good? That's where metrics come in. We measure accuracy to see how often our predictions are correct. We use precision and recall to see how well it identifies true cases. For numeric problems, we use errors like mean squared error or R-squared score. And finally, ROC-AUC curves help recognize the model's performance across thresholds. So to sum it up, machine learning is all about data, algorithm, and continuous improvement. The more data the model sees, the better it gets. It's not magic, it's math and data working together intelligently. And that's it for today's video. I hope you now have a clear idea of what machine learning really is and how it works. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.